On March 29, 2025, at approximately 7:14 a.m., a trooper was on scene investigating a collision on northbound I-5 in Everett when his patrol car was suddenly struck by another vehicle.
Can you hear me? Hey, can you hear me? Hey. Hey, excuse me. Can you hear me? Buddy. So, start fire too. Hey. Can you hear me? Okay. Hey, I'm right here. All right.
No, I think we're all good here. Just glad I wasn't sitting in my bed.
At the conclusion of the investigation, the driver was arrested for DUI. However, due to the nature of the suspected injuries, he was transported to the hospital and released into their care for treatment.
Slams on the brakes and just right in the back of it.